It's very safe. With all precautions, time for a break. I'm thirsty. How is it going?
Good enough. If you help, it will be easier.
Oh, sorry.
Focus, not now, not now, not now.
He left.
He's still here. Thank you.
For me? No?
For you?
If you like this, I'm like this. Oh, we got some water inside. I hate this job. It's a diesel engine full of water.
Hello, Apollo. Say hello to everyone. Today we are going to work on Porsche again. But before that, you never met Matas, who is our engineer. Matas, say hello to our YouTube viewers. Also, Karina took my desk today, so we have complete full house. Still, Svai's table is free. Svai is waiting for your chair. Yeah. Svai is gonna have his own place. Right now, Apollo took over his table. We need to clean up this mess, your mess, mister. Also, we're still working and building E90 body kit. Matas, are we going to launch it this year?
Yeah, this year definitely we're going to launch it.
So this is what Matas said, so we are going to do that. And yeah, let's take a look what the guy's doing. Apollo, let's go. You have a lightsaber?
Yeah.
Show your lightsaber. So, what we are going to do today, Rokas also preparing. We are going to remove lower parts of the bumper. Also, we are going to remove the trims. We are gonna be painted in black. Also, we need to remove rear bumper. Come over here. We need to remove the bumper in order to remove this piece. We want to powder coat it in black. Also, we need to remove the bottom piece. It's already have some marks and etc. And the most important part, we are going to remove the exhaust. But before starting all the jobs and doing everything, guys, press that subscribe button. So Rokas gonna work more and spend more time in the workshop. No? Yeah, maybe you will motivate him to come to work more. As you can see, this project is really fun for us. That's why we are so happy working on it. Guys, what do you think? How is amazing 4.5 twin turbo engine gonna sound without the rear silencer? Because with it, it's nothing. It doesn't have any sound at all. So we are really looking forward to remove it, to hear the real roar of the V8. Let's begin.
We are filming, yeah? Okay, very good. Hello. Now we are removing the front bumper.
Yeah, it's very rusty bolts. It's like you see. I think I'm gonna break it.
Don't break anything.
There's no choice. Broken bolts.
Don't break anything, because guy, I gonna need to pay from my salary, you know? Justinas is very angry at me. For no reasons.
Put it in your pocket.
Because I really don't break anything.
Don't show it.
I don't break anything. Back in the pocket.
No evidence. I think bottom is down.
Is it safe to work like this?
Oh, it's very safe. With all precautions for the safety. Just, I'm not telling you to stay very long under the car. 2 minutes at maximum under the car and get out.
Look, you are my father.
Look, Justin just left. Maybe we can just go from the backside to buy something, you know, for the evening.
Okay, we can go. You go or I go?
I will sneak outside.
From under the car.
2 hours later.
Oh, my foot. Huh.
Okay,
Now I need to
find some.
disconnect a lot of stuff.
My corner is free.
My corner is also free, but there is some wires. Screen wash.
What to do? What to do? What to do? Put it in your finger.
For now it's gonna be okay. I can disconnect here, but just a moment.
Faster.
Smells nice. Front part removed. Yeah.
Making a mess again?
Cleaning floors. It's screen wash, good for a floor.
We have your floor cleaning machine.
Not today, it's not working. We have a Totudas.
A better one.
Please stop making a mess. I just want to come over and check you every half an hour.
Now we're going to remove the back end, the back bumper. But first we're gonna need to take off the lights, take off the covers, and after removing the rubber band around the back, we saw that this is like a roasted chicken, which we gonna need to fix this corner. The right side is very good, but the left side got some serious problems. So let's start removing. Nothing much. Beer, and beer. And probably some fishing.
And some beer.
And some more beer. Totally typical weekend. After a hard week of work, beer is the best. Relaxation, meditation.
Okay.
Safety first. One part removed.
To the metal?
To the Honda and to the metal.
See, you are good at removing headlights.
And very fast, especially in dark. Not very fast at wiring. I usually just cut those because there is no time. Come on.
We have a problem.
What kind of problem?
Wiring problem.
Just cut it. Pretend to be working. Pretend to be working.
Oh shit.
You are good at pretending. You missed 2 screws.
That's your side. Oh, okay. My side too.
I can hear the ocean. Or is
I'm
the
also
radio?
here.
Oh, it's the radio.
Why it's on? Strange. Really strange.
Okay.
Slowly. Now we have to remove lower parts.
Separate.
Front and back bumpers. And also we have to remove this part because we have to paint it in black.
Time for a break. I'm thirsty. I was very thirsty. It's non-alcohol. You're not drinking at work, no?
I'm just happy that Tolga working with you, so he can take care of your addictions.
Job's done. Done. Now I can keep going.
I'm not able to focus on my stuff because of you.
Everything is going according to the plan. My tank is full now. I'm full of energy, and we can keep working. How is it going?
Good enough. If you help, it will be easy.
Oh, sorry. Just half beer left and I'm gonna join you.
All right.
Okay, I will help you. What's wrong?
Really smelly, guy. Really smelly.
I just wanted to remind you that you have a stand for the bumper.
I was thinking about it, but beer is more
Alright,
important.
let's remove
Okay,
it.
for the next piece, we could use the stand.
Welcome.
Thank you, chef.
You can use it.
Thank you, chef.
Oh, my back.
Don't pretend. That's it?
Yeah.
Like a sandwich.
We're going to visit our friends at Wheels Geometry Bosch, so maybe we will be able to do a caster for Dajuban. So I'm gonna be back soon, Rokas.
How much time we have?
Not enough.
Fuck.
Please don't burn this place to the ground.
I will keep an eye on him.
Please do that.
Focus, not now, not now, not now.
He left.
He's still here.
Right.
Okay, first I think we can remove the wiring.
Tell me what to do.
Just hold it.
I'm very good at the holding.
Holding certificate we have, yeah? Broken, put in your pocket. Thank you.
For me? No?
For you?
If you like this, I'm like this. Now it's good.
And that's it. Maybe it will need some sanding because it's not very flush, but for now it's good enough.
when we put lower part, we will sand it. So with the front end and the back end removed, now we're going to continue with that. Still got trim pieces removing because we're gonna paint this all around the windows, all this in the black by the owner's choice. Now we're gonna figure out how to remove them and gonna show you how it's done. Maybe not how it's done, but we're gonna remove it. Let's go at max speed. Let's switch gears, top gear. Let's go. Holding. We need to remove the window to take out the trim. Now Todd was trying to disconnect the wire. For window heating, tricky job. Radio is like a ghost, turning on by itself. Ghosts? Maybe ghosts? Friday 13. It's 13?
Yeah, today Friday.
Halloween is coming, so prepare your own masks.
And now you can wash it.
We had to take the window out because there's small screws who's holding aluminum parts. So it's a little bit silly to make that, I think, because now we have to put it back, all the seals have to be cleaned, maybe it's not leaking. Let's go to the next side, and please don't forget to press that subscribe button and leave your opinion in the comments. Thank you. Cloudy, what about addictions? I have no addictions, you know, just the beer and me.
Why you remove the window? I said just remove the trim.
You have to remove the window because there is small screws who's holding the trims. And we're gonna make it punnable, like in the Charan or the Space, you know, those. I think we can make it like this. Yeah?
I will offer that.
Small hinges, you can open like this.
You are listening to radio right here?
It's turning on by itself. We tried everything. It's a ghost. Friday 13 today.
And what about the other side?
Other side is done.
Not today, not today.
It's a huge mess.
Where? In the office? One piece to the collection. Other side.
Yeah,
Or it's enough.
I think we can do it because we know how to do it now.
So we finished the other side with some struggles, some tricky parts, and we know them now, and we're gonna put on the next even faster, lightning speed, and gonna finish this even faster. This side is also done in the lightning speed. Everything is removed, so now let's move under the car to cut the exhaust pipes and take out the end of it out. So Totidas now are going to mark the cutting places, and I'm gonna cut. So I'm gonna need some safety stuff, and let's go to work. Faster. I need to go to the shop and buy something.
On the left side of the tape,
Left side.
on both pipes.
Which side?
Wait a minute.
I'm bad with
On the
sides.
left
On the
side.
left side. Okay.
This is the
Okay.
left. Okay,
Left
bye.
side. I gonna need that. Yep. See you tomorrow. Left side. Oh, okay, left side.
Very near the face.
Almost in my face. It's a little bit too big for this cutting machine, and this roller coaster is not needed anymore. Maybe like this, but then this is in the way. Live fast, die young. This shit is not cutting. Oh, we got some water inside. It's leaking. Why? You are leaking. I hate this job. Okay, let's continue.
Oh, it's not very good.
Why?
Lines are crossing a little bit, so we have to finish it from this side.
Maybe because Rokas drank some beer?
No.
Of course.
No possibility.
Not the first time.
Looks good right now.
Done.
Maybe a little closer to the depth.
Closer to the face.
Closer to the face. It's a diesel engine full of water. Whew, yes. Whew. Take me out. Take me out. Yeah. Good job. Yep. Cut it perfectly straight. I'm pretty proud with myself. I managed it without any injuries. So what's next? Cleaning? Everything put fast. No, see, no problem. Okay, this side is cleaned. This is...
What the fuck is this mess? Guys,
Everything is clean.
it's 0 o'clock.
Turn off the lights. It's time to go.
Did you cut?
What
It's
cut?
lost already?
It's already in the metal. Maybe the battery will be dead of the radio. It's dead.
Dead? Bring the wires. Sounds better?
Way better. Yeah, baby.
Proper. Now it's better.
It sounds like a Porsche.
Yeah. So, very good. Good job. Clean up all your mess. I'm out. Bye. Bye, guys. See you next time. Bye. Clean up your mess, please.
I don't know about mess, but you can go, you can go.
I'm doing my CEO things. I'm very busy today. Don't call me. See ya.
Fucking bastard leaving early to clean
the
us
seat.
the mess.
There is no mess now.
Is it good? I don't like it.
Clean now. Alright, we can go home.
If you
I
don't
think.
see, it's everything is clean. Good weather for a beer. Fuck this cleaning shit, not today.
What's next?
Barbecue and 2 more beers. Don't smoke, it's not good. I'm with experience, so see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to press like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you like.